Hi there, I'm John from CNCKing.com, and today we make custom stainless steel bow ties with a jig. Now you might be wondering, why would you want a jig to put on a bow tie? It doesn't make any sense. Well, these bow ties are actually what they use for live edge wood, so tables, chairs, all that kind of stuff. And what happens is the wood splits at some spots, and it can keep splitting. What bow ties do is that you carve out, using a normal router, the bow tie shape, and then what you do is you put one of these into it, and that prevents the wood from continuing to split. So it's actually a really good purpose. It's not a bow tie you put on, although technically this would look kind of cool on me as well. Although we can make these custom bow ties out of any material, something to keep in mind is a really nice feature about stainless steel. Not only is it very corrosive resistant, but you can also sand the surface of it. Now this here was done with an orbital. It's probably hard to see, but it has like an orbital sort of, it's probably easier to see on this one here. It has a bit of an orbital sort of swash through it. If you had a live edge table and you want straight ones, all you have to do is, after you lay this in and you glue it in place, or your resin in place, all you do is continue sanding your table, and this will match whatever sanding surface you have on the actual table or bench or what have you. When it comes to shapes, they can literally be anything. The only thing you want to keep in mind with bow ties, generally speaking, is you want two parts to actually come out a little bit more than the inside part. This prevents the wood from splitting. So for instance, if you wanted this to be like a square and a small rectangle, that would work just as well as this. So the aesthetic can be totally customized to whatever application you're using it for. You know, if you're making like a medieval sort of themed table and you need bow ties, this might look kind of weird, but we can actually make it out of, you know, guillotines or what have you. We can do some really cool stuff here in the shop for you. So if you're looking for custom bow ties for your live edge projects, contact me at CNCKing.com. We can make both the bow tie and the matching jig.